I want to also say this, I believe is a live coverage. Fubara is not an ungrateful person. If I were a bad person, you can't hide character that is bad more than 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, 8 years, even more than 8 years. For 16 years, if I was a bad person, everybody would have known. But even your own child that is in your house, that you gave birth to. Let us start with even the girl child. It gets to a stage, your girl child will enter the bathroom and lock the door, is it not? Even if I was forcefully, they forcefully put a feeding bottle in my mouth. If I get filled up, won't I pull it out? So when people stand outside and say, I want people to ask them, in your own good conscience, what is that bad, that wickedness, that ungratefulness that this man has even shown or done? But I leave that one to God, who will judge everybody. But today is not a day to complain. It's a day to appreciate. It's a day that just spelled out something big. That even those people that are, should I use the word, generating this propaganda of ethnic politics. Today, the Ikwerre people are here to show support, explaining clearly that they are part of this government and they support this government to the end. What else? What kind of support, again, do I need? When your own father is here with me to say, look, we support you. It is the greatest blessing that any son can get. So let me thank all the royal fathers. Let me thank the very, very great opinion leaders of the Ikwerre worldwide. I want to thank you for this support. I want to assure you that not minding what is happening, I will not throw caution to the wind. I will continue to appreciate that support that people give to me through somebody. I will continue to appreciate it. It doesn't matter whether the person accepts it or not, but I will continue. That's one alone is what makes me restrain when it gets to that point when I need to act. The restraint is because I was a well-brought-up boy. Nobody can, you know, there are people when they are growing up, they say, hey, when they're going, he did this, he did that. My story is clean. I wasn't disowned. I was a pure young man. I served people, and I have the new record of everything. So I tell you, with all boldness and strength, that I'm well brought up. And for that reason, I have respect. So let me say here that I will continue to respect and appreciate. I will not take this your love for granted. I assure you that we are going to work together for the progress and development of our state. The heart of our state is in this 4 local governments. The airport is situated in Ikwerre. The headquarters, the government headquarters, is between Faga and Obio. That is where the economic activity, Emohua, is also there. So I'm happy to identify with you today openly and to assure you that we will do more things to bring development to these 4 local government areas.